Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. This will be the third video of the mini-series. If you're just joining us, you might want to start at the beginning. Then you'll know where we're picking up here in this video. The paint correction is finished. Now we want to go around and clean it up, get it ready for the ceramic coating. In the corners are, well, maybe some old waxes, who knows, old sealants, a little bit of polish from the correction. We want to clean that out from all the corners, the seams, the nooks and the crannies. So we're going to get out a wax remover and a paint prep and panel prep, and we're going to get this thing ready for its coating. When it comes to this job, I'll reach for one of two products, or maybe both. The Eastwood pre-paint prep, which is an oil and wax remover, or the Citral 266. Both are evenly matched. Along with them, I'll grab a microfiber, an old thin wooden skewer, and a detailing brush. Dip the microfiber into the Eastwood panel prep, wrap it around the skewer, and, well, the rest is self-explanatory. The residue and dust we pulled from the corners will be wisped away from a soft detailing brush, and I'll bring in some compressed air. And repeat this process all the way around the vehicle. With that behind us, we can concentrate on the rest of the surface of the plastic trim. And we want to clean the old wax and sealant or whatever that is out of there first before we go and refurbish it or condition it and then protect it. I'm going to keep the same two products out. That's going to be the Eastwood Prep and also the Citral 266. I'll do half of it with the Prep, the other half with the 266. You'll see they both work perfectly fine. Stripping the plastic. After I'm done, I'm going to immediately flush it. I'm going to bring in a microfiber towel that has been dampened under some warm water in the tap, wring it out, and I'm going to flush the area with that. If you're outside, you can use a hose or even water out of a 32-ounce spray bottle just to flush the area and then dry it. Make sure it's completely dry after that before you go to protect it. And I'll do the other half of the arch with Citral 266. They're both evenly matched, both very, very effective for this job. And we'll continue this routine all the way around the car, wherever there's plastic trim, to clean up before we can condition and protect. Already looking 10 times better, like new plastic. Although the grill areas are somewhat like the plastic trim, I can't treat them the same way. I'm going to get out the extension for the rotary. This is a mini polisher, and I'll get out the cone attachment. I'll put a cleaner on that, and it's a little bit tedious, but this is how we go about it. When we're finished cleaning up, we need to condition and protect, so I'll reach for the Angel Wax Corona. Now, I want to clean up the paint, remove any old polish or wax residue or oils, maybe just from touching it and getting our fingerprints on it. I want to get this perfectly clean and naked, get it ready for the coating. I'm going to use the oil free from Tax Systems. This is just their version of a panel prep. There are also a few water spots on some of the trim around the headlights, here on the side marker light, and a little bit on the windows and glass as well. I'm going to use Tax Systems Spot Zero. Just because of the potential to be a little bit messy at the edges, I'm going to protect and condition the plastic now that all the water spots are removed and it's just about perfectly clean and naked and ready for protection. So let's take care of the plastic trim down there, and for that I'm going to use the Cerakote trim coat. This is their updated newest version. This is a self-leveling. It does a much better job than the original version, leveling itself out without even touching it. So we're going to tear a bag open. There are 10 bag foils, anyways, in that large bag that they ship to you. You can get many cars conditioned and protected, the plastic trim, anyways, with that pack. And we're going to get the little folded up moist towelette that's soaking in their ceramic coating within the tin foil, and just simply spread out the product on the plastic and it'll do the rest itself. You can let it go just as it is, but I love the finish and the look if I just take a microfiber and lightly drag it along the plastic where I applied it, just a few short seconds after applying it, and let it spread itself out from there, and it looks fantastic. We're just going to continue that process all the way around the car, the bottom of the car. There's also some plastic trim at the mirrors, the roof line, and don't forget the wiper cowl. That takes a beating from the sun. No need to tape anything off. If you do get any of the coating on the painted surfaces, just have a damp microfiber within arm's reach. This here made a huge difference in my opinion. The trim accentuates the car all the way around it, and having that condition nice, dark, and rich again, and protected, that made the world a difference. That's going to do it for today's video. We are now ready for the ceramic coating. So in the next video, I'm going to show you what I have chosen for protection. We're going to get that done. We're going to do wheel coatings. We're going to do a windshield coating. So I'll catch you guys in the next video, the last video of the series.